my years. A man who grows in numbers, but on his own, and when confronted in a similar situation, cowers away. And that's what you saw with that little on the bus over there. His jocks after doing something to bad beating on this little glass jaw rat.
To box.
I'm
gonna put
book. The bang off
hey, you have to fight only box because you come. Let's wrestle. Let's wrestle. 6 October. Let's wrestle. I'm here for smash this guy. I don't wanna
smash me,
talk.
mate. Smash me.
I don't wanna.
Smash me.
We're gonna keep this clean. Touch gloves now if you wish to. All right, let's do this. Fight.
Together. This is what he does to everybody he fights. He crosses your legs.
It's under the neck.
There it is.
No, it's under